Alright everybody, I wanted to make just a quick video about these drying stands. They'll come to you kind of like this, and along here you'll see there's 4 screws. Those will hold the legs on, and then there's the center screw that'll hold the rod. So what I will start doing, oh, you'll also need your Allen wrench that came with your turner and possibly a screwdriver. This is kind of optional, but it's kind of nice just to get it tight. So the first thing, let's take one of these out. So I can do it just with my fingers. It's not super tight. You do want to place your finger on the inside. There is a nut. It's really hard to see. Let me see if I can get some light going on. So if you can see down there, there's a nut that on the inside. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to place my finger on it just to hold it in. I'm going to take the screw, and on the inside of the leg you'll see that little hole. I'll place the screw in there. Then I'm going to take my Allen wrench and hold that side of it and place it in the hole, and then just screw it in. And you want it to get tight enough where it's not going to wobble around, but it doesn't need to go much past the edge of the nut. So as soon as you start feeling it with your finger, you can start slowing down. Doesn't have to be super tight, and it'll just kind of hold it in there. Now I'm going to pause the video and get the rest of these done.